Hi everyone, today I received an order, a hair care product set from a local brand named Venus Skinlux. There are three products in this hair care product set: hair oil, shampoo bar, conditioner bar, and I also ordered a shower steamer. The first product is the hair oil, also known as the pre-shampoo treatment oil, and it is to massage on the scalp about 20 minutes before shampooing. The scent is quite presenting and refreshing. Another product from the set is the shampoo bar. This is my first time to purchase a shampoo bar, and it is the main reason to place my order. It is a 50-gram bamboo charcoal bar. The scent is quite strong, and I hope it will provide the most well known benefits bamboo charcoal could provide. The extraordinary benefits of bamboo charcoal include deep cleansing and natural detoxification. This 50-gram shampoo bar can be used up to 50 times of shampooing. The last item in the set is the conditioner bar to complete my hair care step and soften my hair. This hair care set cost 22,000 jats or $8, but because I bought it at the founder's birthday live sale, I got it at 15,000 jats or $5. Quite a reasonable price, I suppose. I also ordered a shower steamer because the price is super reasonable during the live sale. After discount, a 50-gram shower steamer cost 2,000 jats or just below $1. Because I'm extremely interested in the use of shampoo bar, I ordered another bigger size 100-gram shampoo bar. And out of a variety of products, because I'm a coffee person, I got a coffee shampoo bar. It comes with a container and is currently a little bit hard to get it out because I suppose of the extremely hot weather. The temperature in Yangon is currently at 42 degrees Celsius, and I am glad it did not melt. I was promised that this 100-gram shampoo bar can deliver up to 80 times of shampooing. It costs 16,500 jats or $6. This completes my order, but I got a present, a free packet of cute salt called Relaxing Body and Foot Soak. The direction is to use 2 tablespoons of salt and mix it in the bathtub. I highly recommend supporting locally produced handmade products, and for orders, Venus Skinlux is on Facebook.